This is a walkthrough of the Worbli account creation process. So head over to the worbli.io website. Under the check snapshot, you can type in your account names. If you have multiple EOS accounts, check all of them, and the one with the biggest balance is probably your best one to claim for the sharedrop. If you do the sharedrop in the first week, you'll get an extra 10% bonus. So get your registration done now. Once you've decided which account to use, hit the Join Worbli, enter your email address, agree to the terms, click Join. Then you're going to have to head over to your email account to verify your address. Once you're into your email here, click on the verification email. Now you can set your password. One note on the password, it does have to have an uppercase letter. It can't include numbers. You'll see here the first time I didn't put an uppercase and it popped up the memo here. Alright, now you can sign in using your email and the password you just created. Okay, once you're in Worbli, you'll see the application pop up here. Submit documents is the first step to get your KYC done. Hit select documents. I used a driver's license. You're going to need a picture of your front and back of your driver's license. The front goes up first. Confirm. Now you upload the back of the driver's license. Confirm again. After the driver's license, you need a selfie picture. Make sure it's a clear picture, in focus, in a bright lit room. Once these 3 documents are uploaded, you should see the KYC verification complete pop up here. And that's all you have to do for the KYC. So head back to the portal and fill in your personal information, your name, your address, phone number, and your birthday. Once that's complete, you can hit the Save Application form. Review that everything you entered is correct here. Just double check everything. And then hit Submit Application. This process may take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. Once it's complete, it'll take you to the status page. You can hit check status right away, and mine was instantly approved. It does take up to 48 hours for some people to get approved. So I'm out of the United States and it instantly approved. Now it takes you in here and you can create your account name. When creating your Worbli account name, make sure it follows these parameters. It needs to be lowercase letters, A through Z. It can contain the numbers 1 through 5. It has to be 6 to 12 characters in length and can't contain the word Worbli. So now you have to head over to Scatter to create a new key pair. So head into the vault there. I name this account Worbli so as not to get confused with other accounts. hit create new. So this is very important. You have to save this private key. You basically created a brand new account. Save that EOS.io private key. Copy it to the clipboard. Open up a notepad is what I do. Paste it in there and get that thing off your computer as fast as possible. Don't store this on your computer. Store it on a USB drive and back it up, please. So have multiple USB drives, back up the key. Never show this key to anyone. This is your private key for your Worbli account. Now that you've saved your private key, just go ahead and click go back. Go back one more time and go back one more time. Hit the show public keys. That'll be your public key right there, the first one. Click on it, it'll copy it to your keyboard, your clipboard. At this time, please repeat the steps that we just did to create a new key pair, this time labeling it Worbli owner. Now take the two keys you just created, paste the active key here and the owner key here. Double check that you put them in the right spots. I recommend copying your account name, saving it somewhere. Now hit apply for account. Your account has been successfully created. So that's all it took. Now we have a successfully created Worbli account. You can head over to the Worbli Blocks Explorer here. There'll be a link down below. Type in your account name and you can search for it and boom. It'll show you have your active account on the Worbli blockchain. The last step in the process is claiming your share drop. If you had EOS stored off an exchange on September 7th, 2018, you will be awarded Worbli on a one-to-one basis. If you have multiple EOS accounts, you can check them to see which one had the largest holdings using the check snapshot option on the Worbli homepage. Once you've decided which account to use, head over to the Worbli dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see your Worbli account. There's a link to the Block Explorer and a Claim Share Drop option. You can also click the Share Drop option here on the left. There are two options for claiming the share drop. You can either claim with Scatter, or if you're an advanced user, in which case you probably wouldn't be watching this video, but if you are, there's instructions in the Advanced tab on how to claim using Kleos. But for most of us, we'll be using the Scatter method. Make sure to have your Scatter desktop open and you're logged in. Then click the Attach Scatter button. Click Login, and now select the account you would like to receive the one-to-one share drop from. You can now see the Attach Scatter button has changed to Claim Share Drop. All we need to do now is click Claim Share Drop. This scatter action screen will pop up and simply hit the check mark. If you get a pop-up like this, just hit no. If you did everything correctly, you should see the screen showing you successfully claimed your share drop. Just to make sure, click on the Block Explorer link. You should see your account name and 70% of the share drop. I'm not 100% sure when they will be distributing the remaining 30%, but rest assured, the team has said they will let us know at a later date. That's all for creating a Worbli account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to vote for EOS Nation and your top favorite 30 block producers. Thanks for watching.